Hello, I'm very happy to be here at the Winter School. My background is at the intersection of technology, business, and societal impact. I really focus on understanding and decoding, helping organizations, public and private, best understand and plan the strategy for extracting the maximum value from AI and data technologies. The reason I'm here at the Winter School is because I believe it responds to a very key need. There are a lot of academic events on AI, and there's a lot of business events on AI. But it's really important that these two communities come together, because the translation from what's happening in research into business value can only happen if both sides talk to each other. And an event like the Winter School is perfect for that. That's the first reason I'm here. The second reason I'm here, which might be the most important, is because I've been working with Professor Mohamed El-Rabi for many, many years now as an entrepreneur and him as a researcher. So when we worked together, we already had that junction of business and research, which worked really, really well in the startup we worked at together. So the Winter School so far is extremely interesting in my view, because the depth of the scientific speakers, but also the breadth when we're going from Professor Yann Lequin speaking very deeply about future models of AI to Professor Lehal, who's speaking about the application of advanced AI into finance, and me later on this afternoon, who is going to take maybe a little bit of a broader stance, a little bit step away from technology itself, while understanding it really well and connect it with the real world of business and society. So it's going really well, and I'm really looking forward for today. In AI, it's kind of hard to project beyond a few months because things are moving so fast. I do believe that this event is a visionary event in the way it mixes science and business. So I hope next year we'll see even more of that, maybe in a structure that is a little bit more explicit, maybe with opportunities of exchange that go a little bit beyond the presentations. But other than that, to understand what should be the next topic, or maybe it's too early, but I think the core AI will need a lot of advances to make it adopted at scale by organizations. And so maybe next year could be about the operationalization of AI as opposed to this year's focus on the broader impacts. So this afternoon I choose a path that I think is a little original. My assignment was to comment on the economic and societal impacts of next generation AI, whatever that means. So I'll offer a definition of that. But because these impacts are absolutely unknown today, it's all prospective and projection, I choose instead to focus on giving the audience a set of 10, 12 big ideas that I think they should have in mind when they are engaged in their own process of decoding what AI means in terms of impacts for society or their business. So it's more about lighting a few light bulbs in people's minds rather than giving my own projections about what's going to happen, why.